Use audio blocks to add a playable audio file to a page or blog post. To add an audio block, first edit a page or post. Hover over the section and click Add Block, then Audio. Open the block editor by clicking the pencil icon. In the Content tab, upload an audio file or link to an external file. Only MP3 and M4A files are supported. Switch the Download toggle on to add a download link. If you're setting up a podcast, click Podcast and add Apple Podcast metadata tags. Click Design to change the appearance of the audio block. Click Animation to explore animation options. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.